What's up, guys? It's Rob here, and we have to talk about the Pfizer vaccine and Pfizer stock. What is going on with the Pfizer chart? You can see on the day we are actually very far down. We've been sinking pretty hard in early morning trading. We're down about 2.5%. And this has a lot of people wondering what the heck is going on with Pfizer stock, right? No bad news came out for them. In fact, great news came out for Pfizer. They just got full FDA approval for their vaccine, and a lot of people are now mandating their vaccine be used. So what's going on with Pfizer stock, right? Why is it crashing? Well, first, let's delve into the backstory of what has happened with the stock over the past couple of days, right? So this stock has been surging over the past month, and then just yesterday, they got full FDA approval for their vaccine. Before this, it was just emergency use authorization. And this is great news for their stock, right? Because they're now going to be able to distribute their vaccine more widely. And in addition to this, there are suspicions that will likely need booster shots for the vaccine, right? So if you've been vaccinated, you're going to need a booster shot so that it will remain effective. And Pfizer is going to be selling these as well. So that's a recurring source of revenue for them. So why is Pfizer stock sinking today, right? What's going on with it? Well, we can look at some of the news that came out just today. For instance, the Pentagon says it will make the COVID-19 vaccine mandatory for U.S. military personnel following the FDA approval. And this is the Pfizer vaccine that we're talking about, right? So this is great news for them. 1.3 million active duty service members will be required to get the vaccine if they haven't already, right? They may have gotten the Moderna or the Johnson & Johnson beforehand, but if they haven't gotten a vaccine yet, they will be required to get the Pfizer. And this also opens up the path for employers to mandate vaccines, right? Because beforehand, it was an experimental treatment, and now it's received full FDA approval and it's more widely accepted. So people can, if you own a business, mandate that your employees get the Pfizer vaccine, at least in some states. Now, why does that mean Pfizer needs to crash? Well, my suspicion is, right? Well, what we see has been going on with Pfizer is over the past while, they have been trending up. And this has created a very inflated stock price, right? Not necessarily inflated valuation-wise, because there has been great news coming out associated with this, especially their earnings call, which really pumped this stock up. However, institutions are likely looking to double down on their long positions with this stock. So they don't want to pay these huge inflated prices, especially after this great news comes out, especially the institutions that might not have known beforehand that this news was coming out. And a lot of retail and some institutions were surely buying yesterday, right? The stock was up about 2% yesterday. And the institutions that want to get in today don't want to pay those inflated prices. So what can they do? They can temporarily push this stock price down with algorithmic trading, with shorts. Who knows what they're doing to push it down? But I suspect institutions are temporarily pushing this stock down because they know a lot of retail traders got involved in this stock yesterday and are looking for this stock to shoot up. Now, this push down could last for just today. It could last just a couple more minutes. We could start shooting up. It could last a couple more days or a week, because I think these institutions are trying to get retail traders scared of Pfizer stock and scared that Pfizer stock will not be going up on this news so that they sell their positions. I think the institutions want to scoop up those shares for a lower price. I think they want this stock to drop a little bit more before they actually enter their long positions and then allow Pfizer to run up. That is my suspicion, because I think this often happens with institutional traders when great news for a stock comes out and they weren't alerted ahead of time, right? Sometimes they know ahead of time and they do their buying then. And potentially some of them did, right? We have seen a pretty massive run-up leading up to this great news, right? It's almost suspicious that, if you look back at the past year, that, just a month really before this news comes out, that we have a massive run-up in Pfizer stock. It is a little suspicious, if I'm being honest, but, I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. But now what I suspect that now that this great news has come out is a lot of people are selling the stock because this stock hasn't run up as they expected it to. I think a lot of retail traders are probably selling this because this stock got pushed down a little bit. We're down almost 2.5% on the day. And the institutions are likely, in my opinion, the ones behind this. They want this stock to go down temporarily so they can get in on it, right? Because this stock is pretty fairly priced, especially for all the great news that just came out with it. Moderna, I believe, has a much higher PE. Pfizer's PE, I believe, is at 24, and Moderna's is near 48, so double, essentially. And, Pfizer looks like a great buy. They were the first one to receive full FDA approval for the vaccine. And if that isn't good news, then I don't know what is. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, I know it was quick, then please like, comment, subscribe if you want to. No pressure to do that. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, feel free to do it. And there's also a Webull referral link that you can use to get free stocks in the description of this video, up to $2,300. All you have to do is make an account and deposit $5. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.